Well everyone, welcome back. We're back on the road. Today's video is a special one. So today we've been invited to film some footage at a wedding, which is extremely exciting. And hopefully we'll be able to take you guys along for the ride. So today's wedding is about an hour away from me, so I've just filled up the car with some fuel. Please do excuse the mess in the back of the car. This is my work car, and I've got lots of equipment in the back, but as it's nice and easy to drive, it's better than taking the VW camper van for a long run. Even though it could do with a long run, it's just easier going in this. So yeah, got both my DJI Mini 3 Pro and the Avata 2 with us today. I think mainly I'll be using the Mini 3 Pro to get some really good footage for the bride and the groom. I'm going to meet up with a photographer, a wedding photographer that's kindly asked me to join him today. Don't really know much about the venue. I think it's pretty much like a barn style venue, which is super exciting. I've been given permission to fly, providing them with my license and public liability insurance, because obviously we don't want to hurt anyone or upset anyone. We don't want to break the rules. We want to fly as we should be. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, I'm gonna head on down there now. About an hour's drive, won't take me too long. Might stop along the way if needed, but I'll see you guys there. Right everyone, well we made it, and as you can see we're suited and booted and ready for the wedding. Today I'm at Bury Manor Barn, which looks to be on a private school, which I'm looking forward to having a little look around. I've got here a little bit earlier. I plan to meet the photographer just before 3 p.m, so I've got about 45 minutes to do a recce of the grounds and get the drone up and hopefully take you guys along. So we'll see you there. Well, there we go, guys. Wedding complete. That was really good. Really enjoyed that wedding, and what a beautiful place to have a wedding. Some stunning views, I'm sure you'll agree. Didn't want to get any footage of obviously the couple or their guests, because let's face it, they've paid a lot of money for the wedding photographer to provide them with a service, and the last thing I'm sure they would want is that footage on YouTube. So I just got some beautiful shots of the surrounding area, the venue itself. No flips, tricks or rolls today, just getting a little bit of experience with shooting at a wedding, and it was a massive success. So I'm looking forward to seeing the final product from Az at Weddingtree Photography. So I'll pop a link to his business in the description below, and be sure to check him out. As always, guys, appreciate you watching. Probably be only one more video this week, because I'm off to the States for a couple of weeks, and that's a whole another can of worms when it comes to flying a drone. So I'm not going to take my drone to the States. We'll leave it as it is. When I get back from America, I'm going to start the series with regards to building my own FPV drone. So yeah, as always, please do like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you at the next one. Take care everyone. Until next time.